Okay, guys, second half. When we start the second half, these are the changes in the positions and the starting lineup that we want for the second half. When we play the second half tomorrow, Abu starts in the goal. Anirudh plays as left centre back. Dhruv plays as centre back. Timmy plays as a right centre back. So we need three centre backs in the midfield. Marvel, Karan Surve, and Noel. You three will play on the same line at all times, which means Marvel is allowed to go above and beyond, move around over here. At the same time, you guys need to adjust. If Marvel goes here, Karan needs to come and take his place. Noel needs to come in center to make that triangle. Similarly, if Marvel is going behind, either Karan or Noel, you communicate and come over here and accordingly make a triangle. So you three need to move constantly in tandem. The three of you need to move in tandem and make sure that the three of you are making triangles in this entire area. In this entire area, you are making triangles as much as possible. Three of you will always maintain the high line. This is again our offside trap line. So these three need to be on the same line. Like we've discussed from day one, we want to have a very balanced sort of a strategy. So we still have two players each on every channel. That's what we're trying to do over here. The only exception over here is that with Aman, I want him to play a little more central tomorrow. And with Sahil, I want him to play a little more on the wings with Karan Jadhav. So Sahil, Karan Jadhav and Karan Surve, three of you need to communicate with each other and make sure you're making that triangles. Karan, when you receive the ball, pass it or put it over here. Once you get the ball, just put it in center. Cross the ball, put crosses as much as possible. To put a cross, it does not need, you don't need to come here and then put a cross. You can put a cross from here as well. The moment you get the ball, put a cross in over here. Put a cross in over here. It's perfectly fine. Even if you put the ball from here to here, it's fine. Even if you put it from here to here, it's fine. Even if you put it from here to here, it's fine. Even if you put it from here to here, it's fine. Or as much as possible, Karan and Harry try to switch. Both of you are good with aerial passes. So I want you guys to switch the ball as much as possible. When do you switch? That is the problem. When do you switch? So the moment if Harry has a ball, Harry, what you got to do is you got to hold the ball, wait for the opponents to come towards this side. When you see that there are more than 2 or 3 opponents, that is the moment you switch the ball. And when the ball is switched once, Karan, first touch, second touch, put the ball in. Same thing. Karan, you get the ball, wait for some opponents to come near you. I don't want it so near that you can't make a cross. The moment you see that this side of the pitch is getting crowded, immediately you switch the ball, and then Harry, either you move forward or you put the ball in or you take a shot. It's up to you. For both of you, for that matter. Alright? Sahil and Aman, both of you are free roles over here. In the entire attacking third, you have entire free roles. But you got to communicate with each other. You got to help these guys out. Okay? You have Marvel and Noel guiding you everywhere over here. So Noel is going to serve as the reference point for Aman and Harry. Surve is going to serve as a reference point for Karan and Sahil. So if Surve moves here, like I said, if Marvel moves back, Surve moves here. Karan, that is the reference point for you to come in the line. Sahil, that is the point for you to come here. This is the kind of thing that needs to happen in the game. In case Karan or Marvel, for that matter, Marvel moves forward, right? Then either Karan or Noel come in over here. If Noel comes in over here, Karan moves here. I don't want overcrowding and we don't want to block each other. So the moment Karan comes here, whenever Marvel moves forward, Karan comes here. Sahil and Karan, reference point for you is Karan Surve at all times. So if Karan is in your same line, that means you're standing wrong. If Sahil is in if Sahil is in your same line, that means you're wrong. Which means the moment you see Marvel coming here, and then if Karan moves here, or if Noel comes here and Karan moves somewhere over here, you need to move here, Sahil needs to move here. This is the sort of thing that needs to happen. Same applies over here. Okay? In case Marvel moves forward, Karan comes in, Noel goes over here. Aman, move center. Harry, move here. come near the half space. So for you both, the reference point is Noel. You can't be on the same line or the same channel as Noel. Remember that you can't be on the same line, or on the same channel as where Noel is. You need to be either this side or this side of the channel, wherever Noel is. Same applies for Karan and Sahil. Right? Your reference point is Karan Surve. If Surve moves here, you need to make sure that you are not on the same line. You go here, you come here. This is what needs to happen in the game. And obviously Aman needs to move here if that happens. Because when Surve moves here, there is a high chance that Marvelous come here and Noel has decided to come over here. That's between these three. So I'll repeat again one more time. Listen very, very carefully. Okay? Listen very, very carefully. Dhruv, for you the reference points are Anirudh and Timmy. Anirudh will communicate, Timmy will communicate. You need to be in the same line as these two, Dhruv. Remember what we spoke about today. Moving with your arms. If you keep your arms stiff and very rigid, your body is going to be rigid, you're not going to be able to move. Anirudh or Timmy will guide you. They will tell you the moment you need to push or they need to press. Listen to your teammates. Listen to your teammates. If you don't get the ball, if you're not getting the ball, or if you're putting a ball and someone is not receiving it, I want you to encourage them. If I see what you did today, I'm going to lose it. I'm going to seriously lose it then. I'm expecting great things and great improvement from you also over here. Alright? Now substitutions. Second half I need to see substitutions. Times are written for everyone who's going to get substituted when. Okay? So Sahil is going to be substituted by Jiti at the 45th minute. That means in the half of the second half, Sahil will get substituted by Jiti. Jiti, you will be playing as Sahil's role. Aman will get substituted by Vikas. So Vikas is going to play in place of Aman for the last 15 minutes. For the last 15 minutes. Jayesh comes in for Harry for the last 15 minutes. KD comes in for Noel for the last 5 minutes. Not 15 minutes, for the last 5 minutes. So KD, make the last 5 minutes count. Use your head. Try and communicate. You become the more important person over here, KD. KD and Naitik. Naitik is already here. Pratik is already going to be here. So 15 minutes to go during the second half. सेकेंड हाफ का आधा टाइम खत्म होने के बाद सुरवे के जगह पे नैतिक, साहिल के जगह पे जिति, मावल के जगह पे प्रतीक, नोएल की जगह पे केडी, लेकिन केडी लास्ट 5 मिनट्स नॉट 15 मिनट्स, हैरी के जगह पे जयेश, अमान के जगह पे विकास, एंड नोएल के जगह पे केडी कम्स इन द लास्ट 5 मिनट्स. ओके, अगेन मेंटेन योर लाइन्स. We need to be very disciplined over here, and our defense needs to be narrow. Anytime the opponent wants to go forward, they need to go around you. So this entire shape needs to be constant at all times. Because this is your reference point, you got to move with your reference point in defense. If your reference point is attacking, you need to move accordingly during the attack. Because this is your reference point. Right, guys? Lastly, Abu, don't rush, take your time. I don't want to see back passes to Abu for no reason, especially from the center. I don't want to see a single back pass over here. Okay? Marvel, use your head, help them out, talk to them, tell them before the match, before the halftime, getting on the pitch, discuss with these two how you guys want to play. Okay? That's about the formation and the strategy and the subs. Let me finish one more thing, important point. Tomorrow, Mayank is not going to be playing, so Mayank will be on the sidelines. Pratik is also there. So Mayank is there, Pratik is there. Mayank and Pratik will be the ones responsible for any substitutions. Okay? So listen to them, listen to their instructions, listen to their calls whenever they make a call. And most importantly, I'm sorry, I just forgot. Most importantly, if there's any changes that you guys want to make, even in the first half starting lineup or even in the substitutions, if there's any changes that you guys want to make, I'm giving you that freedom to make that change, because tomorrow is a friendly. So I'm okay with what changes you make in friendly. But these, according to me, are the best sort of things that we want to do. There's a reason for the second half we want to play in a different setup. We are playing in a different strategy. There's a reason for that. We are playing a sort of a, for whoever is this formation crazy, we are playing 3-3-2-2 or 3-3-2-1-1, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Karan, need to see good stuff from you tomorrow. All that, all the discussions that you've been having, all the kind of inputs you've been giving about the team, right? You're figuring out problems, you're figuring out solutions. Time to put that into action tomorrow, buddy. You need to make sure that you're putting it into action. Actions, not words, actions tomorrow. Aman, simple stuff. Use your head. Do the simple stuff right. And Sahil, I already said in the first half, you need to bring your A game. You're going to be playing for 45 minutes, Sahil. You need to conserve your energy. You need to use your head when to make the runs. That's about it. I don't need to say anything else about any of the guys. I've already covered that. So make the changes as you want. These are what the changes that I would like to see, what I have in my head. Obviously, even I make changes according to the game, according to the way we are playing, according to the score line. But tomorrow it's a practice match, so the score line does not matter. We just keep on playing the way we've decided to play. The reason for these are very simple, guys. The more different setups we learn and play, the more we can win. The more we can keep our opponents confused. We don't want them to figure us out. We don't want them to know that, okay, this is the only formation we know to play, or this is the only way we know to play. For example, Mumbai Strikers, we already knew for like last 3 years they've been playing the same thing. That's a different story, that they are very, very good at it. But we already knew what they were going to do. And still, we made the mistakes and they scored the 2 goals in the same manner from the same side of the pitch. Right? So that's how good they are. Despite having stuck to the formation, despite their opponents knowing what they are going to do. So we need to figure out, guys. We need to play in different setups, find our rhythm, find what works best for us. Again, we don't have a lot of players playing consistently, so it's going to take us time to get into that rhythm. Okay, guys? I don't want to talk more. That's about it. Have fun. Keep smiling, guys. Please. Please. Keep smiling. And turn up on time. Turn up with the proper kit. Shirts tucked in. Shoes, socks, shin guards. I don't need to say these things. You're not kids anymore. And that's about it. If anyone's going to be late, let me make this very clear here again. Every second you turn up late is going to cost you 100 rupees. And that money is going to go into the club fund, where we can buy more equipment, balls, kit, anything. If you don't pay those fine, whatever fine you're going to give, whatever fine is going to be inflicted upon you, if you don't pay that within 10 days, it's going to double up. So think 100 times before turning up late. And if you're going to turn up late, you better have a very good valid excuse. Tomorrow I'm not there, so Pratik is there. Pratik is going to make sure what is a valid excuse and what is a valid reason. But we are implementing this from tomorrow. For every second you turn up late, it's going to cost you 100 rupees. So tomorrow's reporting time is say 6:45. And if you come up at 6:45 and 3 seconds late, that's 300 rupees. If you come up at 6:46, that's 1000 rupees. If you are going to be late, you need to know how late you're going to be. Pratik needs to be sent a message saying that, okay, Pratik, I'm going to reach before 6:50. Pratik, I'm going to be late, I'll reach before 6:55. Pratik, I'm going to be late, I'll reach before 7. Right? If you don't turn up at 7, despite mentioning that you're going to be late, again that's going to add money to you. Again that's going to add to the fine. Start behaving, start taking responsibility, become men. It's time enough, you've grown enough. Stop being boys now. Try and become men, be more responsible, take more responsibility, hold yourself more accountable to the things that you want to do. Show your character, guys. You have a good fight, you have good character. Show it in the match. Just don't treat tomorrow's match as "Arey theek hai, practice match hai," casually. Treat it as a final match. Every match we play is like a World Cup final for us. That's how it's got to be. Alright guys, take care. See you next week. Bye.